How to log out your account on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on the setting button which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, now tap on your profile. Now you can see the option for sign out. You are looking to sign out, right? Now click on sign out. If you want to keep the history, then click on keep history. If you don't want it, then tap on delete history. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna get logged out on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.